Good morning, children. Welcome back to second day of e-learning classes. I think, children, you have watched previous videos, completed your homework and read the lesson till yesterday's topic. Today I came in front of you with a new topic called per capita income. Before this, I want to recall the previous topics which I completed. In the previous topic, I said about meaning of idea, what is development, what are the different developmental ideas of different people, whose development. Under this I covered Kudankulam project. Today we will take up a new topic, per capita income. Generally, countries are classified as low income country and high income countries, or developed countries or undeveloped countries. Before this, I'll ask a question. How you can say a country is developed? How you will compare? With the help of per capita income, we can say a country or a state is developed or not developed. And how you will get the income of a nation? The income of a nation is income of all the individuals who are in a country. I again repeat, children, the income of all the individuals of a country is said as a income of a country. If we divide this income, we will get the average income. This average income is known as per capita income. Now the question, what is per capita income? Per capita means an individual income. Individual income or per head. Income of per head. This is per capita income. And this per capita income is measured in US dollars. I repeat it again, children. It is measured in US dollars. Then how you will calculate the per capita income? If we divide this, we will get per capita income. According to the report given by World Development in the year 2017, it is said that the per capita income of a country in US dollars 12,055, then the country is said as developed country or high income country. In the same way, if a country's per capita income is 995 or low, it is said as a low income country or undeveloped country. And children, this per capita income is also known as average income or national income. Children, I repeat it. It is also known as average income and national income. By this, I will complete today's class. Children, you go through this topic in the textbook. I will send the link or watch the previous video. Children, stay home and stay safe.